Project code ITIMB09. Project title segmentation and classification of brain tumor using convolutional neural network. In this project, we are going to detect and classify the brain tumors. Okay, first of all, we know what is brain tumor. Brain tumor is a type of cancer that occurs due to the abnormal growth of cells in the brain. There are two types of brain tumors are available. One is benign, another one is malignant. Benign means it's a cancerless tumor, and malignant means it's a cancerous tumor. Let's see the images on the right side. These two images are the MRI images of the brain. Okay, see the first image. This white spot. This white spot indicates a brain tumor. In both images, brain tumor is available. But in first image, this is a brain tumor, but it is a benign. It's a benign tumor. That is, it's a cancerless tumor. Okay, see the second image. This is a malignant tumor. Malignant tumor. That is, it is a cancerous tumor. Cancerous tumor. Okay, what is the difference between the benign tumor and the malignant tumor? The safe of the safe only depends whether it is a benign tumor or malignant tumor. Okay, in this project we are going to segment and classify the two types of brain tumors, that is benign and malignant, using MATLAB image processing. Okay, in existing system, they are using machine learning. They are using machine learning for the prediction of the brain tumor. Okay, then the drawbacks of the existing system. Okay, the machine learning requires more steps to run. Then here in existing system, the detection only done. The detection of the disease only done. There is no idea about segmentation. Segmentation means classification, because the classification is more important for the further disease identification. Then in our proposed system, we are using deep learning. We are using deep learning for the prediction of the brain tumor, for the prediction and classification of the brain tumor. If you use deep learning, it means it requires less steps. It requires less steps to less steps to run. Then the deep learning is a advanced techniques when compared to machine learning, because it has a less number of steps when compared to machine learning. In existing system, they are using genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithm is a type of machine learning feature extraction algorithm. Gives a better solution for the tasks. Better solution for the tasks. Solution for the tasks. Okay, in our proposed system, we are using CNN. We are using CNN. CNN stands for convolutional neural network. Convolutional neural network. Okay, convolutional neural networks is nothing but it is a subset of artificial intelligence, and subset of also deep learning. It's a image classification algorithm. So has set of layers called convolutional layer, max pooling layer, ReLU layer. This set of layers of operations, then it provides the output based on the training dataset. Based on the training dataset, it will give the classification or output. Classification or output. Okay, see the block diagram. First of all, input image. Input image means to read the input image, read the input image into the MATLAB. Then pre-processing. Pre-processing means to process the input image, like noise removal, enhancement. These techniques comes under pre-processing. Segmentation presents to extract our particular part in an image. To extract our particular image part from the total image. Then after the segmentation, the segmented image is is trained by CNN, and CNN is going into give the result based on the set of layers, based on the layers of operations. Okay, finally output. Finally output. It is used in many medical and manual labs, labs to find the brain tumor. Then it reduces the reduction process, makes makes our system easy. Reduces the reduction process, makes our system very easy. Okay, in this system, we process with the MRI images of the brain, MRI images. In future, we process with other images apart from the MRI images like PET images and 3D images, like etc. Okay, in this project, we are using MATLAB 2018 software because it has advanced toolboxes. Okay, then why we are using MATLAB means it is easy to learn and high level programming languages, has set of high level programming language, and has set of lot of toolboxes makes our system easier and advanced. Okay, if you use MATLAB means there is a 64-bit operating system is mandatory. Some systems have 32-bit operating system, but it is not applicable for MATLAB. Okay, if you use MATLAB means there is a 64-bit OS or operating system is mandatory. Okay, in this project we are going to segment and classify the brain tumors as a benign and malignant, malignant by the use of CNN algorithm successfully with advanced process. Thank you.